My name is Dr. Adam Friedman. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist, and I co-lead the DBT skills groups here at Executive Recovery. I think the main way that DBT helps someone in recovery is helping deal with the stuff that's underneath the addiction. Many times when we break it down, people are using for a purpose. All symptoms serve a purpose. And one reason that people tend to use is to deal with their overwhelming emotions, thoughts that are rattling around in their head again and again and again. And that's where DBT comes in. The main idea of mindfulness is the idea of getting to the point where you can say to yourself, a thought's just a thought. I get to figure out what I do with it. A feeling's just a feeling. I get to determine what I do with it. An urge is just an urge. I get to write the book. The book doesn't get to write me. The book that we give them is a set of simple, doable skills that creates the difference between a bad day and a relapse. That's all it is. You're going to have bad days in recovery. Everyone has bad days. The rain's going to fall on you like it falls on me, like it falls on everyone. But what you do next is going to determine 95% of your happiness or unhappiness in this world. But if you can start to ask yourself, is this next thing I'm going to do, is this going to make my life harder? Is this going to increase my suffering? Is this going to add to my problems? And not do that? You have every shot at a happy, healthy life. And that's what DBT does for you. It starts to teach you how you can have urges based on your emotions, but that doesn't mean you have to act on them. It's about finding a way that works for you, right? Not your sponsor, not your family, not your friends, not your church. How are you going to make a sober life that's going to make sense for you? Mark Twain said the two greatest days in a man's life are the day he is born and the day he figures out why. We're going to help you figure out why. What is your meaning in this world? Because I promise you, no one was put on this planet to be an addict. You're meant for more than that.